of Berlin. She walks very fast because she wants coffee. Marielle just woke up now.
Yeah, I'm back. Hi.
Marielle is flying. Hey, good morning. Welcome to Berlin. Welcome to day number 4. It's Monday today. Our last full day, but I don't want to think about it. We are on our way to, there's like this museum island. I don't know how to call it. We're just gonna walk around quick and then we go for coffee. We need coffee. We had breakfast in the hotel. It's really good. There's so much choice. We were just missing the eggs, but I think we were too late for that. The breakfast is from 7:30, 6:30 until 10:30. Yeah, of course we come at 10. So, but there's a lot of choice and it's really good. And it's really sunny today. It's gonna be 16 degrees in full sun. I love Berlin. Marielle wants coffee. She walks very fast because she wants coffee. It's a pity because everything is under construction, so it's really difficult to see the buildings. But we were actually not planning to go in, so it's not really a problem. Now we go for coffee. We drank our first coffee at Ben Rahim. So we had our coffee, full of energy, ready to shop.
Ready to go.
Marielle just woke up now.
Yeah, I'm back. Hi.
She's here. Happy face because she had good coffee. Good coffee, happy face. Let's go. It's time for food again. We're going to 2 Planets. We are at Tempelhof, which is like an old airport, and now it's a park. It's super big. I think if you go around it, it will be 1 hour walk, so we're definitely not gonna do that. But the weather is awesome, so we're gonna chill a little bit and enjoy the view, watch people. Marielle is flying. Hey, good evening. It's our last evening in in Berlin. I wanted to say Barcelona. I'm still in Berlin. And we had really awesome Indian food, but we ate so fast so I totally forgot to make a video or a photo, but it was really good. I will put the name down. So if you are in Berlin, you want to have Indian food, you should go to Daily 6. It's in Kreuzberg, and then I can really recommend it. Then we had a beer. Now we are here in the room, gonna chill a little bit. And tomorrow we still have the whole morning and afternoon. My flight is at 7:30. I have to go to the airport around 5:30. It's not so far, so we still have time to enjoy the city. Good night.